What's up, guys? I'd like to welcome you to an unboxing of the Viparspectra XS1500 Pro LED grow light. This light has a pretty cool design. I just wanted to go over some of the features that it has that I liked and why I purchased this light. Yes, I did purchase it with my own money, and we're just gonna get it open here and we're gonna take a peek at it. So this is one of the first features of this light that is unique to this light, and I haven't seen it in any other light so far, is that it is a panel light that is trying to act like a bar light. The middle lights are under glass, and the other two rows are under a new type of magnification type of thing. We're going to go over that here in a minute. So let's get that light back in here so we can talk about it. So the first thing we're going to go over is the new optical lens design. And according to Viparspectra, it is a new type of lens that magnifies each LED on the other two rows. And it looks like it puts out a more condensed type of light signature. So it's focusing the beam down onto whatever you're trying to light up. The next thing we want to talk about is the optimized spectrum. According to Viparspectra, it consists of 660 nanometer red lights, 3000, 5000K white light, and a 730 nanometer infrared light. The wavelength on this light is from veg to flower, so you could use this light for your entire grow for all stages. The next thing we're going to talk about is their new heat dissipation. Some kind of upgraded heat dissipation. It doesn't have the fins on the back like we're normally used to seeing on a panel light. Only time will tell after use if this is improved. And the next thing we want to go over is what's left in a box. This is some miscellaneous stuff. You got a daisy chain cable, 2 stainless steel hangers, and 2 rope ratchets. So the multi-light daisy chain cable, you can daisy chain up to 20 lights between the two. Every time you get a light, you get one of these. It's about 1.5 meters or 59 inches long. So the 2 stainless steel hangers that you get is actually a pretty cool idea, and I haven't seen another company do it yet. What they do is they go into the holes where you would normally put a regular light hanger. It makes the whole thing easier and more simplistic to hang, and I'll show you how to install these, or I'll show you how to hang the light with these. So the next thing we're going to talk about is the rope ratchets that you get. You get 2 of them per light. You're probably going to need both of them. Some people only use 1. I use 2, both sides, keep the light level. They come with metal carabiners. That is a plus. And the actual mechanism inside is also metal, which is a big plus. That means it can usually hold a heavier light or heavier anything, depending on what your application is. They're your standard generic rope ratchets. They're just, looks like they're a little more heavy duty than usual, which is good. And that's a good thing that Viparspectra did. So the last thing that's in the box is, of course, the manual. I'm not going to sit here and go through the whole thing with you. I'll probably put you to sleep, but it's got everything you need to know on how to do the light, how to hang it, wavelength, and so on and so forth. All right, we're going to get the light back in here so I can go over on how to use those nice stainless steel hooks. And these are actually pretty cool. So as you can see, you got the 2 holes on both sides, and you just go ahead and lock them in. I'm trying to install these hooks from the outside in, and they look like they work a lot better when you go from the inside out. I tried to keep that cable right where it is in the middle. It is a thick cable, and it seems to get in the way if you have it bent to the side. I'm pretty sure it'll be okay. I just don't like it when the cables are bent like that. So, of course, it's pretty self-explanatory. You just go ahead and hook up your straps, and the cool part about it is you're done. That's it. So you don't have to mess around with those chintzy looking hangers and stuff like that. Those little stupid little clips that always like pinch the shit out of you. Nope, you just hook those up and you're done. Cool, right? So here's the only thing I don't like about this light. It's subjective, but it's weird to me. It's just because I like customization of how bright I like my light. But this light goes in what looks like 25% increments. It starts at 5 when you turn it on, but then it clicks into 25%, 50, 75, and 100. And that's the only thing I don't like. So in closing, it's a great light. It's a full spectrum light. It's small. It's powerful. It's good on energy. The only thing is that knob. And like I said, it's a subjective feature, but I'm so used to having full control over my intensity of the lights. It's just a little weird for me. And I'm not exactly sure why Viparspectra thought to change that, but oh well. But the application I had for it in mind was perfect. I have one sitting over my mother plant, and I have one sitting over my clones at two different heights, at two different intensities, making both sides happy in the same environment, which makes me happy. So all in all, it's a great light. I just wanted to show you the light and see what you thought. Maybe this will help you maybe buy it. This isn't really a review. Like I said, it's just basically an unboxing and maybe a little bit of my thoughts. But please like, subscribe, comment if you got any. I'd love to hear it. And thanks for hanging out. See you next time.